Good morning. So I'm having some troubles connecting to the Apex data feed. So the only charts I'll be trading are the ES, the NQ, and the RTY. Although, yeah, the RTY too, I think. I can't tell if it's moving or not. Okay, yeah, it is moving. So the CL is not. You can see it's just frozen. I think it's because I just am not paying for that data with my normal plan or whatever through NinjaTrader. So just these three, but that's okay. I think on the ES there's a downtrend, break 2 legs to a new low, double bottom. Let's mark up those highs too. The overnight highs are probably, probably right here with this. It looks like there's an uptrend at the break a new high and a possible spike in channel working higher, so prices might try and attempt that high. But right now they're just moving sideways. NQ, I see a similar downtrend break new low, finds the overnight lows. Oops, went the wrong way there. And we can mark up the overnight highs there, so very similar. Uptrend break, 2 legs to a new high, now we're getting a downtrend. As I said, the CL we won't be trading today, or I won't be trading today. Looks like 2 legs up, uptrend, break, new high. Basically a perfect 2 legs up. Could also be a trend, but that's uncertain. Looks like 1, 2 legs back. So there's a potential for a long here, but with this already being 2 legs up and this trend being so uncertain, I think that I'm not willing to take a long here. Let's also mark up the lows and the highs. Perfect. And headed over to my second chart, second monitor, to mark up the same trends. And I'm drinking some green tea again, some matcha tea. And it's definitely growing on me. At first I was like, man, I don't really like this tea, but now I kind of do. I think it's an acquired taste. I did the breathing exercises today, and it was like by far my worst results. I think, I'm not entirely sure why, but it definitely seems like the more focused I am on like consistency of like my heart rate and of my breath, that the better the results are. And I was definitely focused on my breath, but maybe not so much being really adamant on keeping that consistency with my heart rate. So I think there's that reason why, just kind of losing focus, I guess. So far I haven't noticed anything with that breathing, I would still much prefer to just meditate, but I'm going to continue doing it and see what happens, because the book and sort of that program were recommended to me by one of the trading mentors, Eric with Topic Trading, and also someone that I look up to, Josh Waitzkin, who wrote The Art of Learning, which is a book that I really enjoy. Clearly finding some congestion there. Make sure I'm on the sim account on each one of these. Yeah, I am. Whenever I like initially switched over, it switched to my live account, and that would not be good. Looks like there's a news event at 10 o'clock a.m. pending home sales month over month. I don't think that'll like super affect the market, but at least want to keep an eye out on that. On the ES, if this trend is right, then I think there's a break. It's looking like the trend is right. I like how the midline fits, but it's unconvincing of a break there. Could be, could not be. Looks like this congestive area is still in play. I was expecting prices to probably move up to a break a new high, but we'll see if that happens. Just got this like permanent cold that just won't go away. RTY looks to be moving towards this break a new high here. And it looks like we're moving towards the break a new high of this uptrend on the ES. So if we can hit that, then that'll be a close outside a new high of this trend at the overnight highs, and would be a potentially good place to take a short. Looks like this is one leg up here. Similar. Breaking two legs to a new high.
Order submitted.
So I'll be looking for some strong selling.
Order canceled.
It's looking congestive. The ES, say potential. Let's draw this trend up. Do believe that's probably correct, so I don't really want to go against that, at least for the time being. Some strong selling there, but I think the chances are too high that prices come back and retest this short-term uptrend. And they are getting continuation, so maybe I was wrong to be looking for that. Maybe it's just tighter. Maybe it's tighter like this. Still hard to tell. Pretty strong little downtrend. RTY has the potential for a breakout pullback. See this congestive area. If prices break out of there, pull back, find some selling, could be decent. As prices are at the overnight highs, this uptrend has played out. And I guess in a way that could be a breakout pullback right there, but it's not exactly what I was picturing. I'm not sure why that's not exactly what I was picturing, but it wasn't. Could be good though. That is some pretty strong selling right there. very little retracement. Now the ES is looking very interesting. You have this strong leg down, pretty strong leg down. And then it looks like one, two possible legs back. RTY finds support in the same spot. Definitely the potential for some congestion there. So I'm going to go and put an order and just be ready for some potential selling. Also want to look at this trend just in case. See if prices react off of that. Looks like prices are finding some support off of this wider trend. Potentially. Be ready. Noticing that my shoulders got a little bit tight there whenever I was preparing to take that. There's definitely a little bit of congestion there, which I don't love. But if we do see a lot of down movement, then I might be willing to take that potentially. Nope.
Order canceled.
No, thank you. If anything, it looks like this is a little bit wider to me. Definitely looks like prices are holding that. Let's go ahead and take a look at a wider trend. I don't think that's correct as of yet, but I will keep an eye out on it. That is this trend here.